Hello, my people. This is Anigo TV. There's a video I came across. One girl castigating what especially Catholic people are doing by putting status. The girl is like breaking the status, say this is not God, all this one. Anyway, share this video. But watch this video first. Before I say something, I want to say.
If you have these things in your home, you are going to hell. Listen, these things are idols. Don't make any image of God. Look at what we are just destroying now. This is the image of Jesus Christ. And we women will put it on as fashion. The God who created us, we are disgracing him. See this one. If you have hammer, start to destroy. Make sure you destroy all of this. This is not Jesus. This is idol. You are worshiping idol and you say you're a Christian. This is not Jesus Christ. Repent before it's too late for you. Repent.
Okay, have you watched the video now? You know, in this life, there's a freedom of worship. We all know. But this has been a problem in the Christianity in Nigeria. Catholic people, Anglican people, Pentecostal. These people are saying these people don't worship God. These people don't worship. These people worship idol. These people are not praising God. All these sins are too much. But I'm still asking you guys, those people that are saying that Catholic people are worshiping idols, or Pentecostal are not the real Christian, or Anglican are not the real Christian, what can we do? I think by now the whole Christianity supposed to unite and know the solution. True, the white people bring the church, bring the Christianity in Africa. Yes, we believe on them, following everything they tell us, our forefathers. The same Christianity they bring, demarcation everywhere. Even I remember those days, I got say, when you're Catholic, I don't want Anglican. When you're Anglican, don't marry from Pentecostal families. Do you know that because of that, some girls are single up to today because of such thing? Because they are say, I will never marry from another church. Maybe I'm a Catholic now, I'm a woman. I say I will never marry a Pentecostal. I will never marry Anglican. A lot of girls in olden days, because of that, stay single. They never see husband to marry. And why na gaga? So, what can we do? What can we do? Okay, Christians, what can we do to stop all this? Fighting each other. This one fighting this one fighting this one. These people are not worshiping God. These people are worshiping Satan. These people everywhere. For me, as an African, as a Nigerian, as an Igbo man, when you are worshiping the way they are told you to worship it, always remember where you come from. Igbo have tradition. Yorubas, I know they have tradition. I never know about Hausa, but I know that Hausa also have tradition. Whatever you are doing, remember their ancestors. Remember the way your forefathers worship before Christianity came. Because all this problem now, Adam Afebo kingdom fighting against kingdom. But this way we move. I beg, I'm not saying this to say that these people are good or these people are bad, or what the girl are saying is true or not. But what can we do? I think they say they have a freedom of worship. As they have a freedom of worship, even Nigeria Constitution. So anyway, after you watch this video, you drop your comment. I still remain Anigo TV. I love you all.